Hi, I'm Naama Geva-Zatorsky from the Rappaport's Faculty of Medicine of the Technion in Israel. And I'm studying the microbiome, the good bacteria that live in and on us, and their interactions with ourselves, with the host, with our immune system. How do they affect our health, and how can we harness them towards better diagnostics and towards therapeutics? My ICRF grant is about oral carcinoma and oral cancer. And it's in a close collaboration with the Rambam Hospital next door, with Tal Kapusha and Adi Rachmiel and a few others, and several students from my lab, Roberto Abud and Tal Geffen and others as well. And the reason we wanted to study oral cancer is because we and others have realized that when we compare germ-free mice without any bacteria versus mice with bacteria, there is a difference in their cancer initiation and development and progression. So there is a role of the microbiome in cancer initiation, progression, and we recently, in the past 5 years, have realized in the field that our microbes can help us respond to treatment. So what we're doing in this study is to compare germ-free mice without any bacteria, to mice with the bacteria. We understand whether and how the bacteria can affect the tumors, how we can use this information for early diagnostics, and whether the bacteria in the oral cavity of mice and also of patients can affect the response to therapy. And we are realizing that there are certain metabolites and certain functions that these microbes can produce that can help therapeutics in cancer. And I encountered ICRF a few years ago. Actually, my PhD was on cancer and response to treatment. And my postdoc at Harvard Medical School for 6 years was in the microbiome and our host immune system. So this interaction between the microbes and our immune system. And in the lab, we're interested in mechanistic interactions of these bacteria and the host. And cancer is also such an important and complicated disease that we're very intrigued to understand it better. So my first grant with ICRF was the accelerator grant, which was a crazy, perhaps risky idea. And I was so happy to receive it. And now we're actually writing up the paper on the results from that funding. And now this RCDA grant that I just received is very important for me because it will enable me, together with our collaborators at Rambam, to pursue our next steps to this very important study and enlarge our preliminary results on these interactions between gut bacteria and oral cancer. Thank you.